Want to say thank you for a person who gave these boats to me, and I'm going to the chicken now. This boat is really good. My feet is not really getting dirty, and I'm going to the chicken every morning. And now it's noon and they made their lunch, so I have food here and the basket that I can get the egg, and I bring also water. So let's go and feed the chicken. So it's warm today and it's really good. So maybe later Michelle and I will walk to have a fresh air. Yeah, and just have to walk. And my girls and boys chicken is here. They're happy and they were waiting for the food. Oh, girls. Sorry. And I'm gonna put the food and they will like that. Come on, girls. Yep. That's the gift food. That's the way I give them food and they were happy. Look how happy they are. They're very happy chicken. And I'm going to give them water. And of course chicken is gonna have food water can here. Yep. And yeah, they were drinking water in here. Okay, it's time to get the egg. Okay guys, I put the cardboard here so they have a clean spot that they can lay egg, and it's really perfect and they really like it and they use it. So I'm happy for that. And now they have 2 or 6 eggs in there. Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. They have, yeah, that's really good. I just put the cardboard in there and some of the stuff, and later I'm gonna add more, so they will be so happy. Can you get the egg? It's hard for me to reach it though. And I'm using this basket because I get more, like 20 eggs a day, so it's good for a lot of egg to get. There's my little chicken. Hi, ouch. Don't bite me. Don't hurt. Okay. Yeah, you're getting mad. They don't like me getting their egg. Ouch. Ouch. There's a lot of egg. Don't hurt me. Oh, look at that. Don't hurt me. Okay. Just borrow egg. Thank you, little chicken. Thank you for giving me egg. Yeah, we have a lot of egg now. So I'm using this basket so it fits all. So we harvest this day 2, 4, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We have 15 eggs. Yay! That's a perfect. And then later we're gonna get more 5 or 3 eggs later. So hope you like it, everybody. And this is our harvest of egg. Thank you guys for giving me egg. Bye everybody. See you again.